Hi everyone, today I'm making these drawer boxes. Now we've all heard of the traditional Dovetail drawer boxes, which to do one of those you either need a lot of time and skill or you need a really expensive jig. Now I've got a different way of doing it, which involves a dovetail slot in the drawer front and then a corresponding dovetail key in the drawer side, which allows the drawer side to slide on like that. And say there, and then the drawer bottom fits into the groove. I've gone slightly far with that one. There we go. And then for the drawer back, I've just put these dominoes in, which means that just fits together like that. And of course, when this is in the unit with the drawer runners on the sides, that can't go anywhere. I will put screws in to hold it in place, but otherwise, that's your drawer box.